today we're going to be testing the NCV7052XGEVK, an evaluation kit for the NV705 family of daughter boards. For today's test, we will need the NCV7052XGEVK kit, which consists of a DC power supply, an NV705 500 series module, a USB Type A to Type B converter, an SPI cable, the motherboard, and the motor. In addition to the kit, you will also need a signal generator with output lines, as well as a PC with your daughter board's respective motor driver software. Assemble your kit similar to how our kit is assembled, while noting a few things. First of all, the orientation of the wiring to the stepper motor. Secondly, the orientation of the signal generator's NXT pin with respect to ground, and the lighting on the NV705 module with your SPI cable from the SPI port to the other SPI port. To begin today's test, find on the bottom of your daughter board where connector 1 is, and insert your daughter board into the connector 1 of the motherboard. The respective driver software for the NV705-223 is called the Stepper Motor Driver GUI, which can be downloaded from the onsemi website. So open that up. Select Evaluation Kit, NV705XX, SPI bus, NV30521. Now at step 5, read through, make sure your setup is correctly set up, paying attention to your signal generator with a square wave between 0 and 5 volts at 1 kilohertz. Enable your signal generator and hit next. And if you encounter an error at this step, it'll make you redo step 5 until it is correct. Otherwise, select Professional GUI mode, next step. And a new screen should pop up. Close the help window. Verify your stepping mode is 1/32 microstepping. Your peak coil current is AND-H11. Set CR0. Go over here, make sure your motor enable is yes, and set CR2. At this point, your motor should be moving. To disable your motor, change motor enable to no and hit set CR2. The next daughter board we're going to be testing is the NV70501. Unlike the last daughter board we tested, this one has its own motor stepper GUI found on its web page at onsemi.com. After installing it, open it up. Click SPI Interface Connect. You should get a notification message that it was successful. Set frequency. Go to the second tab, O2 Application CMD. Check RH pole. Change iRun to 300 milliamps. On your signal generator, enable your output. Hit Read All Diagnostics on the GUI. And finally, hit Update All and enable motor. At this point, your motor should be moving. When you are done watching your motor rotate, hit Disable Motor and Update All, and your motor will stop. Just like the NV70501, our final daughter board we will be testing, which is the NV705143, has its own stepper motor GUI found on its website at onsemi.com. After installing it, open up the GUI, click SPI Interface Connect, make sure your interface is connected, hit Set Frequency, go to the second tab, O2 Application CMD, enable RH pole, set your iRun to the max, 800 milliamps, hit Read Diagnostics, enable your signal generator, and hit Update All and enable motor to enable your motor. At this point, your motor should be running. Once finished, hit Disable Motor Update to stop your motor. After you have finished testing your respective daughter board, shut down the GUI software on your computer, followed by turning off your signal generator. Now it is safe to remove your daughter board from the motherboard, putting it back in the anti-static bag. Now remove the signal generator clips, disconnect your stepper motor, remove your SPI cable, and finally disconnect the DC power. This concludes the test of the NCV7052XGEVK. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.